We've been cooking with Bradley smokers for a long time now, and I just wanted to share some of my thoughts. This model right here is their 4-rack vertical smoker, and this is the first one that we've got, and we've done a ton of cooks on it. And we've done traditional cooks like ribs and pork butt. We've done smoked fish like salmon, steelhead trout. We've even done some apps like smoked bacon mac and cheese. We've done jalapeno poppers. And we've done some other cooks like homemade meatballs, or my personal favorite, homemade bacon, which is just next level. So the Bradley's an electric smoker, and that allows you through this control panel here to set the time of your cook, the temperature over the course of that cook, and even the duration of your cook that you want smoke being generated in the actual cook chamber here, which is a really cool feature. Now the wood flavor just comes from these wood biscuits that slot in here, and then they are slowly fed into the machine and they generate the smoke. They come in a bunch of different flavors, and I'm telling you, they just add a ton of flavor to your overall cooks. It's really, really good. Now in terms of my experience with the 4-rack vertical smoker here, there's a couple things that I think are worthwhile mentioning. First, you've got a seal that goes all the way around the door, and it almost acts like a refrigerator that just sucks the door shut. So you get a perfect seal, and that really locks in a ton of moisture, locks in that smoky flavor profile, and I really like that feature. This is great for really good low and slow smokes. This goes as low as 130 Fahrenheit, and if you want to go even lower than that, they actually have a cold smoke package where you can pump smoke into the chamber here with 0 added heat, which is a really cool feature. And lastly, it's just the price point of this. You're talking about one of the most affordable entry-level smokers on the market. So if you're just getting into barbecue and smoking and you don't have a dedicated smoker yet, I'd really suggest you check out one of the Bradley smokers. And again, this is the 4-rack vertical smoker model.